Welcome back, everyone, to English Podcast with FTJ.
Hey there, English learners. I'm Jack, and with me is Jennifer.
Hi, Jack. Hi, everyone. Today we're going to talk about something super useful.
Yes, we're going to share words to improve your daily English.
That's right. These are simple words and phrases you can use every day to sound more natural in English.
And don't worry, we'll explain them with examples so you can start using them today.
Okay, Jack, let's start with a very common word we all hear. Actually.
Ah, yes. Actually is great when you want to correct something politely or give more information.
For example, if someone says, "You don't like coffee," you can reply, "Actually, I love coffee."
That's right. Using actually makes your sentence sound more natural, not just a simple yes or no.
Perfect. Now, another word we can use every day is basically.
Oh, yes. Basically helps you explain something in an easier way.
Like, basically, this app helps you learn English faster.
That's a good one. You see, even small words like this can make your English sound more fluent.
All right, Jack. Now let's talk about another very useful word. Literally.
Oh, yes. Literally is great when you want to emphasize something, to show it's true.
For example, you can say, "I was literally laughing for 10 minutes."
That's perfect. It makes your story stronger and more interesting.
Smiling. Next, we have probably.
Ah, probably is really useful when you're not 100% sure about something.
For example, "I'll probably go to the park tomorrow."
See? It's much nicer than saying, I might go, because it sounds more natural.
Yes, and another one we use a lot in conversations is actually, again, but in a different way.
Oh, how do we use it differently?
Like when someone says, "You're so good at English," you can reply, "Actually, I'm still learning."
Ah, I see. It's a polite way to correct or add information without sounding rude.
Exactly, Jack. And now let's learn probably in another example because it's very common.
Sure, you can say, she'll probably call you later.
Encouraging, this shows that English speakers often use these words to sound natural, not too direct.
Okay, let's add a fun one. Literally again.
Yes, because sometimes we say literally even when it's not exactly true, like "I'm literally dying of laughter."
Totally. It's very common in daily English.
So, if you remember actually, basically, probably, and literally, you already sound more fluent.
And that's just the beginning. These words are small, but they make a big difference in your daily English.
All right, Jack, now it's time to learn some more words that make your English sound super natural.
Yes, I'm ready. What's our first word for today?
Let's start with probably. Wait, we already talked about that. How about actually? Oh, we use that too. Okay, let's go with honestly.
Ah, honestly is a good one. It's used when you want to be truthful or express your real opinion.
Exactly. For example, you can say, "Honestly, I think this movie is amazing."
Oh, yes. It makes your English sound more real and natural.
Next, let's learn definitely.
Ooh, I like that word. It shows certainty, right?
Yes. For example, "I will definitely help you with your homework."
Perfect. It's stronger than just saying, I will help.
Another word we use a lot is probably. Just kidding. Let's try actually. Oops, use that. Okay, basically again.
These words are really common, Jennifer.
Yes, because using basically, honestly, definitely makes your English flow better.
All right, I'll add perhaps.
Oh, yes. Perhaps is like maybe, but it sounds more natural in conversations.
For example, perhaps we can meet tomorrow.
It's polite and softens your suggestion.
Ah, I love that. Okay, what about actually, just kidding. How about literally again?
Yes, literally is everywhere in daily English.
For example, I literally can't believe it.
Wow, Jennifer, using these words really makes your English sound fluent and natural.
Exactly. So if you practice words like honestly, definitely, basically, perhaps, and literally, you're already improving your daily English.
And remember, everyone, small words make a big difference. All right, Jack, we're almost there. And today we're going to learn some more words that will make your English sound super natural every day.
I'm ready, Jennifer. Let's hear them.
Great. Let's start with sure.
Oh, yes. Sure is simple but very useful. We use it to agree politely.
For example, if someone asks, "Can you help me with this?" you can reply, "Sure."
Exactly. It's much more natural than just saying, yes, I can.
Next, we have really. This word is great to emphasize your feelings or opinions.
Oh, yes. For example, I really like this song.
Or, do you really want to go there?
Perfect. It makes your English sound more expressive and natural.
Another useful phrase is kind of.
Ah, kind of is very common in conversations.
For example, I'm kind of tired today. Or, it's kind of difficult to explain.
Yes, kind of softens your sentence and makes it sound more natural.
Next, let's talk about exactly.
Oh, yes, exactly is perfect when you fully agree with someone.
Like, that's exactly what I was thinking.
Or, exactly, that's correct.
Simple, but it makes your English sound confident and fluent. Now, another great word is maybe.
Ah, maybe is used to show polite uncertainty, right?
Exactly. For example, maybe we can meet tomorrow.
Or, maybe it will rain later.
It's very common in conversations, and it makes you sound polite and natural. Next, let's add honestly.
Oh, yes, honestly is used when you want to be truthful or express your real opinion.
Like, honestly, I think this food is amazing.
Or, honestly, I didn't understand that part.
That's perfect. It makes your English sound sincere. Now, let's use definitely.
Oh, yes, that's for certainty, right?
Yes. For example, I will definitely call you tomorrow.
Or, this will definitely help you learn faster.
Great. Definitely makes your sentences strong and confident. Another word that helps your English flow is probably.
Ah, yes, we use it when we're not 100% sure about something.
Like, I'll probably go to the park later.
Or, he'll probably arrive on time.
Perfect. Probably makes your sentences sound casual and natural. And lastly, let's review literally.
Literally is everywhere in English.
For example, I literally can't stop laughing.
Or, I literally forgot my keys.
See? Even small words like these make a huge difference in daily English. So, if you practice words like sure, really, kind of, exactly, maybe, honestly, definitely, probably, and literally, your English will sound much more fluent and natural.
Yes, and the best way to remember them is to use them every day in your conversations.
You can also try shadowing practice. Listen and repeat these words exactly as you hear them. It's super effective for pronunciation and fluency.
That's right, even just a few minutes every day can make a big difference.
Keep practicing, and soon you'll notice how much more natural your English sounds. All right, Jack. We're going to keep adding more words and phrases that will make your English sound very natural.
I'm ready, Jennifer. Let's go.
First, let's look at actually. We use this a lot when we want to add extra information or gently correct someone.
Oh, yes. For example, if someone says, you don't like chocolate, you can reply, actually, I love chocolate.
Exactly. It makes your English sound more natural than just saying yes or no.
Another common word is basically.
Right. You can say, basically, this book explains English grammar in a simple way.
Perfect. Basically is very useful when explaining something or summarizing.
Next, let's talk about literally.
Haha, yes. Literally is everywhere in English.
Like, I literally can't stop laughing. Or, I literally forgot my wallet at home.
It emphasizes your point and makes stories more interesting.
Now, another very useful word is honestly.
Honestly is perfect when you want to express your true opinion.
For example, honestly, I think this class is very helpful. Or, honestly, I didn't expect that answer.
That's great. Honestly makes your English sound genuine and natural.
Another strong word is definitely.
Yes, that's for certainty.
Like, I will definitely finish my homework today. Or, this will definitely improve your English.
Using definitely makes your sentences confident and strong.
Next is probably.
That's for when we're not completely sure.
For example, I'll probably go to the supermarket later. Or, she'll probably join us soon.
Probably makes your sentences sound natural and conversational.
Another polite and casual word is maybe.
Yes. Maybe is great for softening your sentence or showing uncertainty.
Like, maybe we can meet in the evening. Or, maybe it will snow tomorrow.
It's very common in conversations and makes you sound more natural.
Now let's talk about kind of.
Yes, we use kind of to soften sentences or show slight uncertainty.
For example, I'm kind of busy today. Or, it's kind of hard to explain.
Using kind of makes your English sound relaxed and conversational.
Next, another word that's very helpful is exactly.
Yes, exactly is perfect when you completely agree with someone.
Like, that's exactly what I was thinking. Or, exactly, that's correct.
It's simple but makes your English sound fluent and confident.
Next, let's use really.
Oh, yes, it emphasizes feelings or opinions.
Like, I really like this song. Or, do you really want to try it?
Really makes your English more expressive and natural.
And finally, let's review sure.
Yes, simple but effective for polite agreement.
For example, can you help me with this? Sure.
That sounds much more natural than a simple yes.
And when you use all these words, actually, basically, literally, honestly, definitely, probably, maybe, kind of, exactly, really, sure, your English will sound fluent and very natural in daily conversations.
Yes, each word is small, but it makes a big difference in how smooth your English sounds.
Wow, Jack, we've gone through so many useful words today. Actually, basically, literally, honestly, definitely, probably, maybe, kind of, exactly, really, sure.
Yes, and these words are small, but they make your English sound so natural and fluent in daily conversations.
Absolutely. And the best way to remember them is to practice every day. Use them in your conversations, write them in sentences, and even try shadowing.
That's right. Shadowing is when you listen to someone speak English and repeat exactly what they say, including intonation and stress. It's one of the fastest ways to improve fluency.
And don't worry if you make mistakes. Every time you practice these words, you get better and more confident.
Exactly. Even just a few minutes every day will make a huge difference in your English.
So remember, everyone, the words we talked about today, actually, basically, literally, honestly, definitely, probably, maybe, kind of, exactly, really, sure, are all tools to make your English more natural.
Yes. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and soon your English will sound natural in every conversation.
Thank you so much for joining us today on English Podcast with FTJ.
Yes. Keep learning, keep practicing, and we'll see you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.